my name is Pradol and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys both my morning and my nighttime skincare routine. So it's been quite a few months actually since I've shared my skincare routine and a lot has changed. So many of the products that I've been using for years, I do not use anymore. Like a spoiler, I don't use my micellar water, the Bioderma's micellar water anymore. I have found so many new replacements which are a lot more affordable. Most of the products that I use for my skincare routine are affordable other than just one product, but I will give you like an alternative to that as well. Honestly, I just don't use a lot of products for me to make like a separate morning routine and a separate night routine. If I made separate videos, each of those videos would be like 2-3 minutes long. So I thought I should combine the two, all the products that I use. One more thing that you guys should remember is that I do get sent a lot of new products and I do also tend to buy a lot of new products. So in my day-to-day routine, I might switch out a few steps here and there, but for the most part, these are my favorite products and products that I use on the regular for the most part. So having said all of that, let's just get started with today's video. Okay, so I just woke up, which is why my face is a little bit puffy, my eyes are a little bit puffy. I've done nothing to my face. I literally just woke up. So we're just gonna get started with my morning skincare routine. My morning skincare routine is very straightforward. It's a very basic 3-step process. Like most people, I too start off by washing my face. I use a face wash. So this is the face wash that I use. This is the Mamaearth charcoal face wash. So I rave about this face wash quite a lot, but for good reasons. So just a few days ago actually, I ran out of this face wash and I was using my backup face wash, the Himalayas Neem face wash, and every time I stop using this face wash, I always break out. Always break out. So I started breaking out here on my cheek and I've been using this again. I think yesterday I started using it again. Kal hi Nykaa se aaya ye package mein, and I've been using it again. I'm hoping in a few days my pimples are gonna clear out. They aren't like big pimples, but like really small like bumps I'm getting on my skin. So yeah, this face wash really helps me keep my skin clear. I use this both morning and night. A mistake that I used to make earlier was to apply the face wash and then wash it off within like 10 seconds, literally. Now I take my time, at least massage it in for 30 seconds and then I'll rinse it off. Now the next step is something that I'll do maybe once a week or max twice a week. I'm talking about a scrub. So I've completely stopped using physical exfoliants. I only use chemical exfoliants. So this is the scrub that I've been using. This is from Wishful. It's their YoGlow enzyme scrub. This is now available on Nykaa, which is fab, but it is a little bit pricey. So I do have an alternative for this. It is the papaya enzyme scrub from the Face Shop. I use that as well quite often. Honestly, it does a very similar job to the YoGlow at a much cheaper price. So you're supposed to use this on dry skin, and this is just supposed to help you exfoliate like your dead skin cells. And also another beautiful thing about chemical exfoliants, at least for me personally, is that I've completely stopped getting whiteheads. I used to get a lot of whiteheads, especially around my nose and sometimes even my cheeks. I don't get those anymore. So I keep massaging this really well till you can see almost like dead skin, even though it's not dead skin on your face. Even the papaya face scrub gives you this very like similar effect wherein you feel like you have dead skin on your cell. It's definitely not dead skin, it's just like a component of the scrub. So I'm gonna go and rinse this off. So I just rinse the face scrub off of my face and my skin just feels so soft, and also it looks very even. I'm gonna move on to my regular steps that I do every single day. So right after face wash, I'll go in with this face toner. So I've never been the type of person to use a toner because I was just so lazy, which is why I feel like a spray toner works really well for me. So I'm using the Kama Ayurveda's Pure Rose Water. I just spritz this all over my face. Sometimes I use a little bit too much only. This smells really good, and I think this is just one of those products that that you don't know if it does anything, but it just feels so good. It's like a feel good product. So I've been using this quite a lot and I'm almost done. So itna sa bacha hai, and I'm definitely going to repurchase because it's very cheap. I think I got this for like 120 150 rupees, and I really like how it feels more than it doing anything to my skin. I mean, it's rose water, it has to do something. This absorbs really quickly into your skin, so I can move on to my next and my last step, which is a serum. So I do have oily skin, which is why I don't feel the need to use a moisturizer every day. Like especially when I'm not wearing makeup, I will not apply a moisturizer. I'll only stick to a serum. So just massaging the serum into my skin. The serum that I've used, again, I've been raving about this for quite some time. This is the Wow's Anti-Acne Face Serum. This has tea tree oil in it. I think that again helps me a lot with my acne and my breakout. And the most important thing for me personally when I'm using a serum or any type of moisturizer is that it needs to be absorbed into my skin within seconds. I don't like to have like a layer of grease on top of my skin. This is all I'll do on a regular day minus the face scrub, but today is a filming day, so I will be using a moisturizer. So I'm just going in with my Olay Regenerist Whip Mini. I'm almost done with this product. I think I'll be able to use it only one more time after this. Again, I really like it because it's not oily, will absorb into my skin really quickly. So that's it for my morning skincare routine. Usually it's just a 3-step thing, but there are like a few additional steps every now and then. Now I'm gonna catch you guys in the evening and we can do my nighttime skincare routine together. So it's the end of the day. It's been a long productive day and it's finally time for me to get rid of my makeup. So I'm just gonna do that with you guys. Let me get rid of my lashes first. So step 1 obviously is makeup remover. This is the one that I use, the Micellar Water by Mamaearth. I really enjoy it. It's very convenient. Can you imagine I've stopped using the Bioderma Micellar Water? That's how good this is. I think I've used the Micellar Water by Bioderma for at least 5 years. And I don't use it anymore. Even for that matter, the Himalayas face wash, those are great products. But the thing is that I've found products that are a little bit better than that, so obviously I'm gonna switch, and the price point is very similar. Actually, this is much cheaper than the Bioderma also. I do realize it looks a little bit harsh, but trust me, it really isn't. I'll be back in just a second. Just rinse the makeup off. For step 2, I'm going to use the same face wash that we use in the morning, the charcoal face wash. Even though the Micellar Water does a good job at removing your makeup, I just think it's always nice to double cleanse and just make sure everything is off. So just using this face wash and working it into my skin. Skin is all clean. I'm gonna move on to masking. Obviously, I don't apply a mask every single day. I'll do it say twice a week. So today I'm using this one by Dot & Key, and it's called their Pollution and Anti-Acne Defense Face Mask. As you can tell, I have like a pattern going on wherein I try to use products that are meant for acne, because I do have very acne prone skin, so I try to use products that are going to help me combat that. So this is the face mask that I've been really enjoying lately. Other than that, obviously I'm going to recommend the C3. That's my all-time favorite. So those are primarily the 2 face masks that I've been alternating between. Now while this face mask dries, I'm going to talk to you guys about a few other products that I use once or twice a week. So the first one is this Dot & Key's Hydro Peel Glow Potion. This has 10% AHA and 2% BHA. I've talked about this product quite a few times. Basically, it's a serum, but it's not like a regular serum wherein you apply it and you forget about it. You're supposed to apply it, let it stay for 10 minutes and then rinse it off. If you have whiteheads or if you have texture, this is going to do wonders for your skin. I really enjoy this. But since in the morning we already used a scrub, I didn't want to like overdo it and use this as well. Another chemical exfoliating product that I've been using is by Pixi. It's their Glow Tonic. This is 5% glycolic acid exfoliating toner. So again, I will not use this every single day, even though you can use it every single day. I'll use it say like 3 times a week, and I'll do it in the morning. So those are some other products that I use. Now I'm just gonna let this dry, let this sit for 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse it off. Just rinsed off the mask. Skin feels super tight. I will say, if you have dry skin and if you have sensitive skin, maybe don't go for the Dot & Key face mask that I showed you, because it has a lot of fragrance, and it is very like mattifying and tightening. Your skin does feel a little bit dry, but because I have oily skin, I really like it because I like to feel matte and tight. So for you dry and sensitive skin types, I think C3 would be a better option. Now I'm going to quickly replenish my skin with a serum. So I have two serum options. The first one is very expensive. So this is the Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Repair. This is for 10,500 rupees. I know it's crazy expensive, but I will say it's worth it. Literally is magic in a bottle. I think I'm gonna use this today because why not? I use a little bit extra only. You don't need so much. You just need a few drops. And I'm just gonna massage it all over my face. So I do have an alternative for you guys when it comes to a serum. You can check out this Dermaco's Niacinamide Serum, 10% Niacinamide Serum. This one is quite affordable, definitely much more affordable as compared to this one. So if you don't already use a serum, I would definitely recommend you guys to use some sort of serum, especially at night. It's okay if you don't use it during the day, but at night you must use a serum which has really good ingredients so that it can penetrate in your skin and help you recover your skin, because nighttime is when your skin really repairs. So whatever it is that you're trying to achieve for your skin, say for example if you're trying to get rid of wrinkles, or you're trying to achieve a brighter complexion, or you're trying to get rid of your acne scars, whatever it is that you're trying to improve, there are serums for that. So definitely incorporate a serum in your nighttime skincare routine. I personally don't top it off with any moisturizer because again I have very oily skin and I don't like the feeling of having a moisturizer when I don't need it. With the serum only I feel very moisturized and my skin feels healthy, so I'm not gonna add anything else, but I will add in an eye cream. So I'm using this Wadi's eye cream. I used to actually use it very religiously in the past, and I recently got myself a new tub. A lot of you guys also use it and love it. I actually did a poll, not a poll, I asked a question on my Instagram and I asked you guys for eye cream recommendations, and so many of you guys use this product. By the way, if you didn't already know, this is for like 80 or 90 rupees. And it's damn good. So I don't really have dark circles, as you can tell, so I can't really tell you if it helps me with dark circles, but in the morning definitely my under eyes feel brighter and very well moisturized and nourished. And as my last step, I'm gonna use some lip balm, actually a lip mask. Lots of it, like I lather so much lip balm. If you've noticed, I don't really wear lip balm during the day because I just use so much at night that throughout the day my lips stay very well moisturized. No surprise here, I'm using the Laneige's Lip Sleeping Mask. This still is the best lip mask, lip balm out there. This is what my skin looks like at a close-up. I'm very happy with the way it's been looking. I am breaking out a tad bit right here, but it's only because I did not use that face wash, the charcoal face wash. But other than that, I'm very happy with my skin. And yeah, that's it for my skincare routine, my current skincare routine. I'm gonna make sure to link all the products that I'm using in the description box below. In order to win this giveaway, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, follow Skion, and tag 3 friends on my latest Instagram post. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!